make money on Freelancer as a financial consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to search or to find a financial consultant, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go with my skill and search for a financial consultant. For example, here we have financial experts. So I'm going to choose financial experts, and here you can hire expert financial experts for any job. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to see all of those freelancers profiles where they are showcasing their skills. So let's say more financial experts. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of freelancers doing this skill. And if you went to someone's profile, for example, this one, let's wait for it to load first. And here, let's check this one's profile. Give it a few seconds to load. And here in his profile, you will be able to see everything about him. And the reason I'm showing you this is because in today's video, you're going to learn how to make a profile like this one, where you're going to showcase your skill, give it a description where you're going to talk about yourself, like this one. My name is Abdul Rahman and I'm a writing gym with expertise in API, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, Oscola styles, and all of those things. Also, I'm going to show you how you can have all of these verifications in check, and how to add a profile picture, a cover picture, and a profile picture as well, and how to drop your portfolio also. And when it comes, guys, to the reviews, keep in mind that you cannot control them. The reviews are controlled by the clients. So the only thing you can do is to give a good job for the clients. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile like these people. So let's go here to the main page and let's give it a few seconds to load. And here it's still loading. Click on earn money freelancing, and then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to move on with my username and my password. Then click on login. Give it a few seconds to redirect us to our dashboard. And here, this is your dashboard. It's where you're going to control everything about your profile. So here, go to your top right. You will find this button. It's where you can see everything about your account and your finances. You can check your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds. You can check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. And if you want, or if you have encountered any problems, you can see if there is any solutions in the support. And if you want to invite your friends, they will provide a customized link for you to do that, and I guess you will get some kind of a reward when inviting your friends. And if you want to log out from the profile, you can do that in this button. So let's go up to go to our profile. And here in the profile, as you can see, our profile looks very empty. It's still fresh. As you can see, 0 reviews, 0 amount earned, 0% likeliness to accept a project, and we have 0 in everything. So let's start first by editing our profile. Let's click on editing here. And the first step you will need to go through is to verify your email. As you can see, email verification required. Then make sure to upload your profile picture. It's very important because there is no client that would like to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. After that, you proceed to upload in a cover photo as well. It will help you too. After that, you proceed to the verifications. So here, as I said, as I mentioned in the beginning, these verifications are very important when it comes to gaining trust and looking legit in the client's eyes. So here, make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers and also verify your identity. As you can see, identity not verified through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. So make sure to verify your identity as well. And here, verify your payment method also. Verify your phone number with the email, we've talked about it before, and also connect your Facebook account. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to the hourly rate. So here, make sure to choose a good hourly rate for you and for your clients as well. Then you proceed to enter in your professional headline. It's where you're going to enter your skill. For example, you can just type financial consultant and you can type as many skills as you can perform. Then you proceed to the summary. It's where you're going to talk a little bit in depth about yourself. How old are you? How many years of experience you have? Why did you choose to learn that skill and when? Where did you learn it? And all of those stuff. Then you proceed to choosing your skills. So here we're going to choose your skills. As you can see, you can enter up to 20 skills. So let's remove this one, and here let's search for financial consultant. We have financial consulting in here. Let's remove these. We have financial crime. We have financial research, financial analysis. If you can do all of these skills, you can just select them. If you can do financial accounting as well. And after you're done with selecting your skills, then go down and click on save to save these adjustments. Then here you can add your portfolio and your experience, education, qualifications, and publications. And after you're done with all of these things, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browsing here, click on projects. Then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for someone with the same skills like yours. And here you can choose the job that fits your requirements. If the price fits your requirements, the job description, then you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.